We're here at the North Tower elevators here at the DoubleTree, Midland, Texas. So with that one, because this one is broken. Now it says. Used to be Dover. This one got an Otis mod, which is really weird. Great. Pretty nice cabs, similar to the other set.
Going down?
Yeah, we're going down.
Hi there.
Lobby.
How you doing?
Yeah, please. That's perfect. Thank you.
Hi there.
Hi.
Go down.
Go down. Oh, you still go down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No worries.
What goes down will come back up. Let's go to the lobby. Going up.
Going up. Yep. Where are you headed?
And two.
Lobby?
Two.
Two?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, the lobby. The elevator is gonna be busy.
Yeah.
Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.